The TCL R84 QD-MINI LED gaming monitor is back on the channel with a variety of POV gaming to help you make that awesome buying decision. Is this monitor worth it? Does it get bright? Does it have a ton of colors? Friends, I can tell you with this sizzler video, it's a badass monitor. From Wolverine to Battlefield 6, Halo Campaign Evolved, even Fortnite with Simpsons Reload. The QD-MINI LED technology here from TCL is one of the best at 32 inches, and I'll be showcasing many more POV gaming with a variety of upcoming games. To really showcase this monitor, show it in all its glory, from the QD-MINI LED impactful brightness to the amazing colors and the contrast of the HVA panel with 1,400 local dimming zones. It will all be found here on Victor's Reality, so hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on a future POV gaming video from the TCL R84. And hint hint, R94 coming soon. Consider becoming a YouTube member, as I'll be having exclusive content on both monitors coming up very shortly. If this monitor was on your radar, look no further. At 32 inches at $699, which can be had for on a great sale, this is it. Here's a sneak peek of all the gaming and many more that you'll be seeing here on the channel very soon. It's time to game on the TCL R84 32-inch QD-MINI LED gaming monitor with amazing console and PC support.